It's important to me because I need to know if we have a big spill that we can manage it. If we have a real big release, we're going to send out an outside agency, but I feel a lot more confident now that if we do have a small to medium release, that I can go in there and do what I have learned here and teach some of the other guys on my team how to do it too. It's impressive. It is something that you have to see to believe. As you see the cloud, you hear it, and when you get up close, you can feel the heat. It's something that you really can't describe. It's more of that experience. It's something that cannot be replaced by a video or even stories. You learn so much that I want to come again. I would say the biggest takeaway is the safety aspect I've seen with all the planning. It's made me question some of the things we do at our plant even. And I think safety can always be improved. And you see that here, you see that other plants are doing it. And I'm just glad that, our company, I think they take safety number one. They've really stepped it up in the last year. So I think when we bring some of these new safety concerns, that they will be put in place immediately.